आप लोग भी गर्मियों से बचने के लिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक और रसना का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पर ये बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है सेहत के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, शुगर्स और आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर्स होते हैं। So namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Nivedita from Smart Veda. It is so natural to crave for the cold drinks in the summers. But do you know that we have 5 best alternatives to beat the heat this summer, and they are healthy as well as refreshing. So put down your cold drink and let's try something new. The number 1 drink is coconut water lemonade. Take 1 glass of coconut water, add 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 3 to 4 mint leaves and serve cool to get relief from the scorching heat. Number 2 is Orange Mojito. Take orange, add lemon, mint, black salt, ginger, honey, muddle it, then add fresh orange juice. Mix it well and serve chilled. Number 3 is Masala Chach. Beet curd, add water, black salt, roasted cumin powder, chopped chilies and mint leaves. Mix it well and the healthy drink is ready. Number 4 is Grape Punch. Take grapes, add mint, ginger, black salt, black pepper powder and honey. Grind it well. Here, the perfect glass of grape punch is ready to beat the heat. Number 5 is Thandai. Take a glass of chilled milk, add 1 tablespoon of Smart Veda's Thandai powder, mix it well and it's ready to drink. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know in the comment section below which drink did you like the most. So don't forget to stay hydrated and enjoy the sunshine. Please like, share and subscribe this channel and follow us for more such videos.